Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. For example, if you try to add a payment method on your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error on your payment method addition. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to scroll it down and you will find the option of media and purchases. And here you have to simply click on that, and here you will find the option of view account. And here you have to wait for some time so that you can find the option of manage payments, subscription and purchase history. So in manage payments, you have to simply click on that, and you have to check you do not have any payment left which has any active subscription. So you have to simply go for the subscription check, and if you have any subscription which has payment left to the previous payment method, then you have to simply clear all the payments to the subscription, and after that you will be able to add a new payment method. Moreover, you can simply click on manage payments, and you have to simply remove old methods if you do not have any pending payments for the subscription. And after that you will be able to add a new payment method. And after the addition, if you are unable to do so and the error occurs again and again, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. And moreover, you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion so that Apple community can help you how they solve that error. So after that, your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.